Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk to you about a very important topic that it actually has to do a lot with one of my New Year's resolutions. I had always liked eating really healthy, and then I don't know, I feel my life started getting a little bit stressful and chaotic, and that started making me eat so much junk food. So one of my New Year's resolutions for this year is actually to eat less junk food and take care of what I put inside my body. That is why I decided to talk to you today about why what you eat is so important. So, as I mentioned before, food plays a big part in your life. Whether you think about it or not, there are so many people that starve themselves to be thinner and so many people that binge to feel better. None of these work. Because the people that are stopping to eat to get a better body, the moment they do eat, all that food accumulates even more. And those people that binge eat, it's kind of like a hollow feeling. It makes you feel better at the moment, but then once the high goes down, you go low. Again, I have never really suffered from eating disorders, but when I was younger, I would eat as little as possible because I was obsessed with how I looked. Then I went abroad and I started realizing that food can actually make you feel better and that food actually tastes as good. Food is a pleasure. You just have to know how to eat, what to eat, and when to eat it. I came back, I gained 20 pounds, believe it or not. And every single time I would get stressed, I would run to my kitchen cabinet and eat. But it wouldn't be like a small bag of chips or 3-4 chips. No, it would be the family sizes. I would chug down the whole thing. I wouldn't even feel satisfied. It's like my mind would go blank and I would just keep on eating and eating and eating. It was terrible. And then I got over that, but the pandemic kind of made me, in a way, go back to that. Not to the same level, but as you get older, it's also harder for your metabolism to digest food. So every little single thing I eat has been sticking to my body. And not only that, it's not all appearance, it's also mental inside of you. The worse I ate, the sadder or less energy I would feel. The better I ate, the more energy and the happier I would feel. And then I started discovering the joy of replacing carby meals with healthy things. For example, I love eating rice yakimeshi, but instead of using rice, I sometimes use cauliflower. Now, it's not about obsessing yourself. I mean, I love a good pizza. I love a big bowl of pasta. But try to eat as healthy as possible and find ways to avoid processed foods, chemicals, colorants, and all those kinds of things that just harm yourself. Well, even alcohol, but who doesn't love a good glass of wine? Anyway, everything with moderation, and as I mentioned, I'm not telling you to stop for good and obsess yourself over it. Just try not to binge and try to listen to what your body is asking you for. Because sometimes your body literally is just asking you for a chocolate, but sometimes you're giving it fried foods when all it wants is a piece of broccoli covered in delicious cheese. Eating healthy doesn't have to be boring. It's about finding the right ways to do it. Just try implementing more fruits and vegetables into your diet. Whether you make yourself a popsicle, or you make yourself a smoothie, or an ice cream as they say it, or you make yourself a quiche, but you add loads of veggies in it. It's got carbs, it's got protein, and it's also got nutritious veggies. So guys, do the test. Try to find healthy but yummy recipes on YouTube, on Instagram, on the internet. Try it for a week and see how you feel. Try to cut off all the things that are doing you bad. If you like sodas, try drinking tea or infused water. And by tea, I mean a tea bag, not Lipton tea. If you like to eat burgers, try eating your burger with one bread instead of 2. If you like to eat chips, try popcorn instead of the chips. You know, it's all about making small changes. If you like pizza, try homemade pizza instead of a store-bought pizza and add lots of fresh veggies to it. Let's try to make 2021 the year in which everything we learned in 2020, we can apply it and actually become healthier and have a more loving relationship with our bodies. Let's do this 1-week challenge and have a love to know what you guys felt, how you guys are feeling, and if you like it, don't forget to mention down below so that I can share yummy, healthy recipes with you that I try implementing into my life. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you again in 2 weeks with another motivational video on the Porcelain Plum.